So, if you can see, it's another rainy morning walk. On Thursday, the 12th of February. It's a quiet morning. Around here is a little bit chilly, difference to the other days. So it's very nice. And my little children is still ill, so she's at home and not at school. And today we want to go to the supermarket and pack something for the journey to my mother. Because on Carnival there is a train for children. Oh, my English isn't so good. I learned English in school, and this is, yes, how many years? 20 years? Yes. So sometimes on vacation we talk in English, or a little bit Spain. So it's a little bit difficult for me. On rainy days there are not so many people. Not so many joggers, not so many people by bike or people with the dogs, so it's a little bit chillier and quieter for us. Bounty, stop. Yes, I hope you enjoy your day. I hope my little child is tomorrow a little bit healthier, because in school there is a carnival party too, and I hope for her she can go. So, I think we will see us tomorrow. Have a nice day.